Hey everyone, I make money trading online with ExpertOption. Let me show you how. Firstly, you need to choose your asset and your closing time. So I'm going to go for gold with a 1 minute expiry. Now you'll notice lots of deals from other traders populating the graph in real time. Next, the strike rate, which lets you manage the risk. And I've selected an 85% strike rate and pressed the red button for down, meaning that I'd earn an 85% profit if my choice is correct. So let's now wait for the result. And so long as the price stays below my prediction, I'll earn an 85% profit. It's looking good. Just a little longer. And yes, there we go. Amazing. That's an 85% profit in just 1 minute. Unbelievable. Join ExpertOption today. Start trading and earning money online.